Hello guys, welcome to the channel Code It's Simple. So today we will be creating a simple calculator in HTML, CSS and JavaScript with the help of Chatgpt. First open VS Code and then click this icon to create files. Create 3 files: index.html, script.js and style.css, which I have already created. And then go to Chatgpt and type there, write a code for a calculator app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript and wait for it to generate the code. Now copy the code generated by clicking this button and go to VS Code. And then paste the code here, since Chatgpt has generated the code which contains the CSS and JavaScript in the HTML file itself in the style and script tags. So we do not need the other 2 files in this case, but if you want you can do that. Then open the file in Chrome and we get our simple calculator application. This app looks simple, so let's test this calculator app. Say 1 plus 5 which is equal to 6, so it's working fine. Let's test another example, say 5 multiply by 3 which is 15. This application is working fine. If you like the video then please share it with your friends and please do like and subscribe.